Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust forward focus headlights. First, park your car on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is properly set, as this affects headlight aim. Open the hood and identify the headlight assemblies. You'll be looking for specific adjustment screws, usually accessible from the top or rear of the headlight unit. This preparation ensures a precise and effective adjustment. Now, let's find those adjustment screws. Each headlight typically has two screws, one for vertical adjustment and one for horizontal. These are usually small gears or bolts. You might need a Phillips head screwdriver or a specific Torx bit, depending on your focus model. If you're unsure, your car's owner's manual will provide a detailed diagram showing the exact location and type of tool required for your specific vehicle. With your tools ready, it's time to adjust. For vertical alignment, turn the appropriate screw to move the beam up or down. For horizontal alignment, use the other screw to shift the beam left or right. The goal is to have your low beams hit the wall just below a marked line, typically around 2 inches lower than the headlight center. Make small, gradual turns, checking the beam pattern after each adjustment to avoid overcorrection. After adjusting, take your forward focus for a short drive to confirm the new aim. Ensure both headlights are evenly aimed and provide clear visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Also, check your high beams to make sure they engage correctly and illuminate the road effectively. Remember, proper headlight alignment is crucial for safety. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.